Guys, welcome back to another one, and today we are going to talk about Facebook. We learn how to lock our Facebook account or Facebook ID profile easily in just few steps. But before going towards, I request all of you do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more informative technical tips, tricks, secrets, and Android hacks. Guys, just go to your settings profile left top corner, then go to settings and privacy. After here click settings. Alright, after clicking on settings, just go a little down, and here you can see an option profile locking. Click on the profile locking. Alright, after that only friends will see your past and future photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to see profile info. Set to public. Public post that you are tagged in, search for you and send you friend request. Make your photos and posts are private in one step. So how can we make it private? Click on lock your profile. Once you tap on the lock your profile, then in just a few steps you locked your profile, and your profile now private, and the public cannot watch your profile, and also the public cannot watch, interact and see your post, your comments, or also your timeline. They cannot watch your timeline also. So this is the best one. I hope so you like this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.